Last month, my agency Review harvested over $57,000 in recurring revenue just helping local business owners get more reviews and rank higher on Google. And recently, in the last couple months, we've added on the service of websites. And today I'm going to show you how you can get 3 killer website templates that work for almost every local service business. They have every section and every page already built out, and you can just copy and paste them into your own high-level account. So if you're not familiar with the free website offer, it's kind of taken the agency space by storm over the last couple years. I've interviewed lots of people on my channel that have this as their main service offering, one being Kai Stone, who's now making almost $500,000 a month running a similar model. Basically, you can reach out to business owners, go ahead and say, hey, I made you a free website. I'd love to hop on a call and show it to you. And then you can either charge $100, $200 a month just for hosting, security, and maintenance, keeping the website up and doing revisions, or you can do a cheaper hosting fee and just use that as a foot in the door service to upsell reputation management, our main service, local SEO, automations, and high level, whatever you're looking to do. It's a great foot in the door service for the millions of local business owners out there who don't have a solid website, because if you manage their website, you own their home base and their digital marketing, and so it makes it way easier to upsell other services down the line. And today I'm going to show you how you can get free access to 3 incredible local service websites that'll work for pretty much any local business owner that's trying to rank well locally. You can see this is one of them. It has all the service pages, service area pages, all that stuff. You can see here's another one here. They all have a little different vibes, but you can copy and paste each one of them into your own high-level account and then customize them to look totally different with a few prompts, but still have the proper structure, scaffolding, and all the right pages. So these 3 website templates were built out in AI Studio. So if you don't have AI Studio in your account yet in high level, you can just click on settings, go to labs, scroll down to AI Studio and make sure that it's already turned on. So you can see AI Studio is turned on. So once that's turned on, refresh your page and you should be able to see it right here. Right now, you can use AI Studio totally for free until the end of July. And then once you get these 3 templates, you can literally just clone them into whatever sub-account you want. So if you want to go ahead and clone this into another sub-account, you click on the 3 dots right here. You click on clone. From there, you can choose what sub-account you want to copy it into. Click there. You can either add it to a folder in that account or not, and then you can include the project history or not. If you include the project history, it's basically going to bring over all the prompts from the previous sub-account. You don't really have to do that unless you're working on the same website for the same business, just in a different sub-account, and then you just click on clone. Now it'll create the project and copy all that over into a different sub-account. So now you can see we've cloned this template into a new sub-account here. This is the new sub-account, but we've already been working on this one here just to show you. So this is the 3rd template here. With some prompts, you can customize this to look totally different. So you can change all the colors, you can change the photos. These are AI generated photos. It'll do all the services, and you can see how detailed these pages actually are. So for example, we have all the services listed here and it auto scrolls through. We have a little bit about the business owner here. We have SEO optimized verbiage, tree removal, and insert service area. We have all the core services they can click into and go to a service. If we go back to the homepage here, we can see, it takes into a get a free estimate. You can see why to trust us. We have these hover animations over each checkbox of why they should be trusted. We've got another call to action here. We've got kind of 3 reasons to choose this business over any other businesses in the industry. We have their step-by-step process for how to work with them. And then we have their review section. We have, basically projects where they can go look at a gallery of all their projects. And then we have the map embed and FAQs and stuff like that. And basically, these are the core sections that make up almost every page. We just have some specific sections for each service. So we click on, tree removal. Here we have, what tree removal includes. What's the process like? When do you need tree removal? You can see why book tree removal services. Not all tree service companies are created equal, and kind of 3 reasons why to use them. And so you can see this is super customizable just with a few prompts. All the service areas are built out here. We don't have any sort of AI drift issue where it doesn't actually build out these pages, because when you're copying and pasting this template into another sub-account, all the pages are already built out, right? So now we basically just have to go find all the placeholders and customize those. So you're basically starting from a template, but you're able to still use the flexibility of AI to make this website look completely custom. And then you can see on the service area pages, we have SEO optimized verbiage for each service area. So you can see you have all their service areas listed here. And then from there, we still need to add some photos in here, but you can add their services in and why to trust this business. And it's basically these core sections used over and over again. because pretty much all of these local business websites are kind of the same 4 to 5 core sections over and over again, just with a little customized text and verbiage on each service or service area page. Okay, so not only am I going to give you these 3 website templates that you can just copy and paste into your high-level account, but I'm also going to give you this massive 19-page prompt. And so one thing that you'll run into with AI Studio is that when you give it a massive prompt, it'll typically have some sort of drift where it doesn't do all the things that you want it to do in one shot. And so you can see we've broken this down into different sections, so you can take it kind of section by section or page by page. And so AI Studio doesn't have that drift, and it actually does what you want it to do, right? And so if we go into AI Studio and we give it some massive prompt, it'll typically fail. But when we break it down like this, you don't have to. And so this prompt is just full of placeholder values. And so for us to go ahead and customize a site, we want to customize this prompt with the proper values. So I'll just go ahead and copy this prompt. And I found a business here with no website. You can see CB Septic Pumping. You can see they don't have a website. It just takes them to their Facebook page. And so what I did was I went into Claude and I pasted in the prompt. And I also pasted in the Google Maps URL, Facebook URL, attached a couple screenshots of their Google business profile and their Facebook page. And then I said, hey, just go ahead and customize this prompt based off the information that I've already given you, right? And then now Claude is go ahead and cranking away at making sure that it'll customize this prompt specifically. From there, what I would do is I would go ahead and take the prompt. I would create a new page or new tab or something in Google Doc and go ahead and paste in the customized prompt, and then just kind of take it piece by piece so that AI Studio doesn't fail. And so it still probably takes a couple hours of going back and forth, but you get a really, really good final product. Like you can see, this is a very solid website that you'd be able to deliver to a client. Obviously, we don't have their photos and stuff yet. These are all AI generated images. But for now, high-level AI Studio, until the end of July, it's totally free to use AI Studio. And so you don't have to worry about running through credits and stuff like that. And like I said, the main benefit is you get an awesome starting point from these 3 templates with all the pages and everything built out and the scaffolding of each page, but you can still utilize AI to completely customize it easily, right? Used to, when you're starting from templates in a website builder, you still have to go in and click every button and customize the placeholders and do all that sort of stuff. And then if you want to make a big design change, like, hey, I want to change the rounding of all the corners of all the buttons, or I want to change the color scheme, or I want to change the whole brand identity, I want to go change the phone numbers, you have all these custom values you have to change, and then the spacing gets messed up, but AI can just kind of handle all that for you when you use these templates. And so our model has been a little different when we're selling websites. We haven't really gone the free plus hosting and security maintenance side, because we already have hundreds of business owners paying us every month for reviews. And so this is more of an upsell. We already kind of have their trust, and we sell them on a website. Typically, I'm selling these websites from anywhere from $1,000 to I've sold them all the way up to $8,000 for a setup fee, and then a monthly hosting, security, maintenance, revisions, all that sort of fee for $100 to $150 a month. But you can play with the pricing and make it whatever you'd like. If you're using this as a foot in the door service to try to upsell them other things, you might want to make it cheaper or free to get set up with you. That way you can then upsell them later down the line. So now you can see that Claude actually spit out all the prompts for you customized already, right? And so you can see here's the reference data. This is kind of the foundation of the prompts. And then you can go into each section here and copy the prompt. So boom, copy. Now you can go and paste this prompt into high-level AI Studio. So if we go here and we start pasting these prompts in, it'll start cranking away on each basically section and customizing the website for you. And so you can see this first one is just giving business context as to who this is, all this sort of stuff. And so there's 2 ways to get access to these website templates. So you can just copy and paste them in your account, get access to the prompts and everything you need to go ahead and create a super custom website for your clients totally for free. The first way is to sign up my link down below in the description to HighLevel. So if you don't use HighLevel yet, you can use my trial link down below. You'll get an extended 30-day trial. You'll also get access to this community here. In this community, you'll get 2 coaching calls with me. You'll get all my templates, all my snapshots, all my prompts, everything I've used to run and grow my business to over $55,000 a month in recurring revenue. The second way to get access to it for free is you can use my link down below to upgrade to the next plan of HighLevel. So if you're already on the 97 or the 297 plan, you can upgrade to the next level and get access to everything I just talked about totally for free. And the last way, if you're already using HighLevel and don't want to upgrade, you can just sign up directly to my community down below. Right now it's $124 per month, but we have a sweet annual plan and the price will go up as members increase. If you enjoy this video and you want to see how I make over $50,000 a month just helping local business owners get more Google reviews and rank higher on Google, check out this next one here.